What's going on, guys? You're checking out QGHQ. My name is Chris and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out the Razer Goliathus Extended Chroma Mousepad. That's a mouthful to say. This thing I'm pretty excited for because I just like the extended mousepads in general. And when I heard they're coming out with the Chroma one, I had to check it out. I've seen the smaller version in the past and it's definitely cool, but personally, I just don't like my mouse maybe falling off the pad, and I just like the whole fluid look of the extended with your keyboard on top as well as the mouse, so I just had to have it. It came in, so let's get an unboxing, check it out, and you guys can let me know down below in the comments whether you guys think this is cool, worth it, or whatever. Alright guys, let's get into it. So here it is, guys, the Razer Goliathus Extended Chroma. I know that name is just, I don't get it, but still, we have it. I'm excited. Let's talk about the price. Off the bat, it's a $65 mousepad. Will you guys spend $65 on this mousepad? That is up to you. Personally, I think it's worth it when it comes to the Chroma. Now, yeah, you can get extended mousepads out there for like 17, 16 bucks, but it ain't gonna shine like this one, I can guarantee you that. So out of the box, pretty simple, it's all rolled up. Just go ahead and take the plastic off, roll this bad boy out. Now, one thing I'm going to tell you guys right now of why I wanted this mousepad over their other ones in the past is it is a soft material. It's not going to be that hard mousepad material. I just don't like that, and after a while, they seem to peel, and it's just not comfortable when I'm gaming. But here's the mousepad all rolled out, and so far I think it looks absolutely great. Now this mousepad comes in about 12 inches in height and about 37 inches in width, so this mousepad is plenty big enough. So make sure you have the desk space. Now what I do really like about this mousepad, like I said before, is it is that soft material, and as you guys can see here, when you flip over the side, on the bottom it has that rubber grip material, so this mousepad will not be sliding around your desk. You do not have to worry about that at all. So here's something that doesn't bother me, but it might bother you depending on how you play. If you're someone who plays left-handed, this power supply could get in the way, and it's quite large, and it does give you a break in the lighting. Now, it's not really noticeable or obnoxious for me. Like I said, I game, right-handed, so keep that in mind when purchasing. I do like that the cable is braided, obviously, but I felt like, I don't know, I wish we could have maybe moved this power brick to be more in the center of the unit, or maybe make this a little bit smaller. But it really is, all preference at the end of the day. It's really hard to complain about. Now, powering this thing up, it's absolutely gorgeous. So far, you can see a little bit of the light here with the lights off. Now it really starts to shine. And let me tell you something, guys. This thing will stand out on your desk. I don't care. Everyone who's been in my studio or been in my room and said, listen, this thing is awesome. And you can really see that glow, that effect. And the possibilities are really endless here. You can really see how it's kind of just laced into the side and it's super flexible as well. You don't have to worry about this breaking or any of the light being broken or it dying out in the long run. It really is super flexible and it's stitched in very, very well, and it looks super fluid with this. I mean, Razer really did nail it when they made this mousepad. I'm super, super pleased with it. Now, when it comes to it being super fluid and super in sync, well, that's really easy. If you guys are a fan of Razer, if you've owned Razer products in the past, you know how easy it is to sync up all of your lighting together. Currently, I'm not using a Razer keyboard, but I am using the Razer Lance Head Tournament Edition mouse. And you guys can see here that the symbol on the actual base, the Razer symbol, is in sync with the Chroma lighting around the mousepad itself. Really, really easy to do. Just go ahead and download the Razer Synapse program. Super quick, and you could sync everything up. If you guys have the matching keyboard and mouse and the mousepad, obviously, it doesn't matter which Razer peripherals that you guys own, they will all sync up via Chroma, and it's super easy to do. As you guys can see here, you could have everything from wave light to it pulsing to be blaze, things of that nature. Like I said, possibilities are kind of endless here. You could have fun with this all day. Everyone knows RGB fun and RGB goodness. So here I kind of put it where the mouse and the actual mousepad are sort of tripping out through the whole Chroma, and it kind of matches my Vortex Poker 3 here with a limited edition one here, as well as I have the rainbow RGB effect kind of flying through those as well. Looks really, really cool on the desk. It matches the RGB in my PC as well when you have your monitor set up. Like I said, if you come by and you see this on someone's desk, it's super noticeable. It really does take that mouse pad to the next level. Now, a lot of people aren't a fan of RGB, and a lot of people take RGB to the next, tier. It really comes down to how bad you want it. Personally, when I first got into, building PCs, I really wasn't on that RGB train, but little by little, I'm becoming more and more addicted to RGB. Guys, what do you think of this mouse pad? Do you think it's worth the $65? Like I stated earlier, I will link this down below in the description, as well as the comment section, as well as with the other mouse pads that Razer offer. The smaller one in this, even the hard version, it's up to you. But personally, the soft one here, as you guys can see, it's my favorite. It's super comfortable to game on. I've been gaming on this now for a couple days, and yeah, it's super awesome, super nice to look at. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I want to grow this community together with you guys. We are now over 1,500 strong, which is super awesome. So guys, I have a couple more videos planned for you here in the future. I have a brand new mouse that just came in, as well as some lighting. We'll get into that in the future though, guys. All right, to the next one, guys. I'll see you later. Peace out.